Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2019 Forest River Cardinal Limited 3655 RS LE triple slide 4 seasons luxury fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 40 feet 8 inches. And the exterior height to the dual AC units is 13 feet 6 inches. And the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line, as far as what the brochure says, is 12,600 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a second owner coach. I know the current owner and he takes care of his stuff. He does keep it in a pole barn. Alright, you get the idea of the floor plan. We'll start off on the living room slide. Living room slide is going to be a super slide. It's going to be at least 14 foot long. And it's going to accommodate the theater seating, ultra leather, reclining chairs. Show off the finish. Excellent condition as far as inside and outside on this camper. I think any dealer would agree with me. There's absolutely no wear on any of the furniture. Also in the first slide out is the freestanding table and chairs. And there are 2 collapsed chairs in the closet in the bedroom, which I'll try to show you if I don't forget. Kind of show off the colors there on the chair. It's going to be different colors, tans, browns, and looks like a little bit of some green, some bluish green. While I'm showing off the fabrics, I'll show off the window treatments here. Your windows do have the MCD style roller blinds. Those are the ones you want. Alright, pan around to the rear. It's going to be a huge, it's almost a king hide-a-bed sleeper sofa. It's definitely going to be one of the largest sleeper sofas you're going to find in a fifth wheel. Ultra leather finish, same as the theater seating. And again, excellent condition. Huge rear windows. Not sure what they're calling the cabinets as far as the finish, but the hardware on the cabinets are going to be a brushed nickel. Beautiful cathedral ceiling. That's definitely a nice touch that Cardinal does. And your AC is all ducted all the way through, obviously, and it is the Whisper Quiet AC system, and it's the quietest in the industry because they scatter their returns throughout the coach. There's one return there, and there's another one there. Your first AC is going to be a 15,000 large BTU AC unit. The second one, which was an option, is going to be a low profile Dometic 13,500 BTU AC. Alright, this is going to be the second slide out. It's going to be one of the larger slide outs you're going to find on a fifth wheel. It's going to be at least 15 foot long. Accommodates the entertainment center all the way to the refrigerator. And entertainment center TV is going to be a 50-inch flat screen. It's a power lift, little button right there. Goes up and down, and when the TV is down, there is a window behind there. Let's show that off. See? Sound bar, Bluetooth, home theater, all the good stuff, USB, hookups, all the good stuff. So for hooking up your smart device, it looks like a DVD player there by Sony. And your fireplace is going to be, I believe, probably going to be around a 4,800 BTU heating source on the fireplace to break the chill off in the morning. Also in the second slide out is the huge pantry in the kitchen. And also in the second slide out's the convection oven. Nice backsplash there. And your Furrion 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually a high output. Nice glass lid for more counter space. And you do have solid surface countertops in the kitchen area. Nice glass front to see what you're cooking in the oven. And nice LED light accent. Back up here, show off the large 20 cubic foot refrigerator, residential, stainless steel finish, and it does have an inverter to power it when you're going down the road. Nice little LED digital screen on the front of the refrigerator. Definitely one of the largest refrigerators you're going to get in a fifth wheel. Nice island kitchen, kind of show off the cabinets there. And again, solid surface countertops. It's kind of a marble look to it. Show off that cathedral ceiling, and lighting in the kitchen is beautiful. Your flooring is going to look like a kind of a plank stone look, I guess, finish. Residential grade vinyl flooring. And again, solid surface countertops. A little hutch area here. So I don't forget, you do have the remote system on this. Kind of show all the features that it does. Slides, awnings, patio lights. You get the idea there. And you do have fantastic vent fans scattered all throughout this coach. Kind of show that off. Show off that blue umbrella. That means it's got a rain sensor on it. And you do have Max Air vent covers on all your vents. There's your Max Air vent control right there. All right, speed the video up a little bit. Go up into the master bedroom. This is going to be the third slide out. It's going to be a king bed, which I believe was an option. There's storage up underneath the bed. I'm kind of one-handed right now, but there's a little bit of storage up underneath there where you can put some blankets, odds and ends, pillows, and all that good stuff. And again, that cathedral ceiling in the bedroom really gives it more of a residential feel. This coach is 50 amp service, so you do have washer and dryer prep in the bedroom. And you could probably put a stackable in here, but you definitely could put a combo if you wanted that option. Show off those chairs. 2 collapsible chairs right there. And you do have 110 outlet on the side of the bed here, and also on the other side. Second TV. This TV does come off the wall and you can mount it outside. Nice solid wood pocket door right here for privacy into the bedroom. Your bathroom, it's going to be definitely a huge residential shower, and you do have skylight and also seating in the shower, glass enclosed, foot flush china toilet, I did check this coach inside and out for water damage. Did not find any issues. Show off this central command here. Okay, up at the top you have the in command monitoring system. It's the leveling jacks, basically is what that operates. And just below that is your central command. It tells you where you are on your battery, your black tank, and your toilet tank, and your freshwater tank. And I believe your freshwater tank is going to be like a 64-gallon freshwater tank, and both your wastewater tanks are going to be a combined 110-gallon switches for your water heater, which is a 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. So whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power, you got hot water within 15 minutes. Roadside lights, that's the anyway, outside lights, awning lights, all the good stuff, and water pump and slide out button and awning button. And you have a Xantrax, the energy management system inverter set up here on this coach, and that is tied in, as I said, the inverter is tied into the refrigerator. All right, you get the idea. Let's spin around here. All your lights, all LED, saves you on your battery, inside and out. But give you one last look of the floor plan before we go outside. You get the idea. All right. This is a Four Seasons camper, fully enclosed heated underbelly. You do have forced heat. The furnace is forced into the, or blows hot air into the holding tank compartment areas, and all your gate valves are all protected. It's basically 0 degree rated. R38 in the floor, R38 in the roof, and R9 R value insulation in the sidewall. And the sidewall is going to be that oyster fiberglass finish. Kind of looks like a gel coat. They're calling it a high gloss, but it looks like a gel coat. It's glassy, that glassy finish. That's what you want. Easier cleaning, and it just looks better. You do have the frameless tinted windows, 80% tint. There's your Cardinal badge limited there. Outside speakers, and that's where your TV would mount, right there. This coach is dirty. The owner has not had a chance to detail it. I kind of put a rush on it to get it listed. So 19-foot power awning. All the LED lights work, and they're the lights that are connected to the actual sidewall. So when the awning is in, you still have patio lights. All right, beautiful painted front-molded fiberglass cap. There's your other Cardinal badge there. Again, all the decals on this coach on the sidewalls are all excellent condition. Beautiful LED lights. And show off your garage area here. In the front, this is where your hydraulic system is for your leveling. 6-point auto level on this coach, and your slide outs. There's the enclosed heated underbelly. £30-pound LP tank, one on each side. Insulated slam latch baggage doors, and your cargo area here is heated. There's your forced duct heating in the cargo area. There's your aluminum framing. This coach is all full aluminum frame constructed sidewalls and floors. Battery disconnect saves you on your battery when you're storing it. Let's turn that off. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. There's your 10-gallon water heater. Your step system collapses way up into the door, so when you're in transport, it's a cleaner look, and you don't have to worry about if your steps are going to be flying out while you're driving down the road. It does have a slide-out awning package on this. Show off the wheels. These are G-rated tires, excellent condition, 16-inch aluminum alcohol wheels, and they are the 8-lug. And it does have the MoreRide CRE 3000 suspension system. Kind of rides like an independent suspension. And I'm going to correct, okay, I was going to say, there's one of your jacks there, and there's another one there, and another one there, and you got 3 on the back side. 3-point auto level. Does have the never adjust brake system on this, which is nice and convenient. Kind of back up here. On the rear, you got a ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to access your dual AC units. It's a rear camera prep. There's your 50 amp cord, marine style cord. Unplugs and stows away nice and clean. And as I said, all your decals are in excellent condition. A little dirty. Here's your furnace, 35,000 BTU furnace. More than enough for this coach. Show off your water hookups area here. Easy to winterize, just follow the directions. And just above that is your outside shower, hot and cold running water. It's going to be probably your black tank sewer flush right there. Rinses out your toilet tank. Water hookups here, pretty easy to figure out. And there's your gate valves, or your dump valves. They're all enclosed and protected from the elements. And there's your nice convenient spare tire. And again, insulated baggage doors, slam latch baggage doors. Another 30-pound LP tank. Your manual leveling panel there. Kind of back up here. Again, it's dirty. It needs to be detailed, but it'll be nice and clean. Anybody who wants to come out and take a look at it. The owner really, he takes care of his stuff. So I've known the owner for about 10 years now. I know I didn't get everything. These Cardinals, there's a lot of features on this coach, but it's a beautiful camper. Anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner, or you can call 502-645-3124. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.